everybody, I am Pandas Gaming, and today we are doing an Animal Jam video. I literally just signed up for one, and then I started playing around. Yeah, I played like a lot of games and stuff, so someone asked Phantom Cotton Candy. Alright, I'm just gonna go get some Phantom Cotton Candy. I don't even know how to do that. I don't remember. Darn it. No. I actually signed up for one of these Animal Jam accounts probably about maybe a year or maybe 2 years ago. I don't remember. So I haven't played it for a while. I actually found a piece of paper that has user and pass. And I didn't know what that means. So I went on every single game that I played in my whole entire life. And this was one, and this is one. If you guys want me to do like Club Penguin videos, I actually like Club Penguin. So I might do a Club Penguin video. So I'm gonna get an octopus plushie. How many gems do I have? Yeah, 3,000 gems and 800 whatever those are. What the hell, Mr. Bunny? I'm gonna name my bunny Snuffles. Oh my god, Snuffles, dude. This is really lagging my game. Cause like I'm jumping and whatever. I actually spent all my gems. I spent all my gems literally. Oh, I almost hit him. I almost hit. Sorry if this video is really laggy. My Bandicam isn't like the best today. It wasn't even open today, so. What? I just want to see what happens if I hit him. If I hit the other guy. Oh, it just blinks red. Freak. Play again for 5 gems, should I? Nah. Alright, let's go make some Phantom Cotton Candy. I remember. I just watched a video. Choose a flavor. I'm going to do black. And then when all this is out, you click white. And then you do this. Then you do black. And then yummy. And then I made Phantom Cotton Candy. I tried to make Phantom Cotton Candy, and that's kind of what happened. Oh my god, this game is gonna kill me. This game is literally gonna kill me. I'm just gonna say A. Apparently in this game, I got my other account that I signed up at school with. Literally, it got banned for me saying A with 2 Y's. Let's try it. See, it says red. It's like red. Oh, no, I never got banned. What? Try to say the A word. I'm going to say the A word. Arsh. No. Really? There's autocorrect in a video game. What the heck? Seriously? I play games I play games for no freaking autocorrect, and look what this game brings me. Alright guys, so that is it for this episode. Yes, I know I'm gonna start doing much longer videos. It takes longer time to render,